Welcome to Psychology 101. Today's topic is a very interesting topic dealing with the ability of children to get along with one another better than their parents. Children are a great example of not being programmed. The parents develop ego, pride, and a sense of identity, where the children minds are clean and doesn't have these factors to have them to be separated from one another. They easily gel together regardless of their nationality, their weight, their height. Children are the greatest example of what human adults supposed to be. Peace. Psychology 101.